Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to cancel a United credit card in 2025. If you're looking to part ways with your United card, maybe you're switching to a better option or just decluttering your wallet, this guide will walk you through it step by step. It's quick, easy, and we'll make sure you avoid any common pitfalls along the way. First off, before you even think about canceling, log into your United credit card account online. Double-check for any outstanding balances or pending transactions. If you owe money, pay it off immediately to prevent late fees or damage to your credit score. This is crucial because unpaid balances can complicate the cancellation process. Next, take a moment to review your rewards. United cards often come packed with airline miles, points, or perks. Make sure you've redeemed or transferred any unused benefits before moving forward. You don't want to lose out on value. Now, it's time to contact customer service. Grab your card and dial the number on the back. It's usually the most direct way. When you get through, have your account number, full name, and any other required details ready for verification. Politely explain that you want to cancel your card. The rep might ask for feedback on why you're leaving, but you're not obligated to share. They'll guide you through the confirmation process, which could involve a few security questions. Once it's done, request a written confirmation via email or mail. This serves as your proof and protects you from unexpected charges. Finally, after cancellation, keep an eye on your credit report and statements for the next couple of months to ensure everything is squared away. And remember, if your card is linked to auto payments, update those details pronto to avoid issues. There you have it. Canceling your United credit card doesn't have to be stressful. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.